How to verify your identity on NAB Bank. First of all, you have to open up your browser. In the search bar, you can simply search for nab.com and then land in their official page. Now, you want to go ahead and simply sign in into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to verify your identity and then you have to follow the on-screen instruction. Depending on your account, NAB may ask you to verify by confirming your personal details, entering a one-time verification code, or uploading a valid government-issued ID. Just follow the on-screen instruction and make sure the information you provide is accurate. Once you have completed the required steps, review your information and then submit it. Verification may be completely instant or may take some time if your document needs to be reviewed. And after you have been verified, you will be able to continue using your account and access all available banking features. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.